If you eat an apple for 30 consecutive days during a month, what will happen to your body? On the first morning upon waking up, you eat an apple. The sweetness of the apple provides you with a refreshing taste, as well as a strong sense of satiety. You don't even feel like having your breakfast at that moment, and the cycle of your destiny begins to turn. On the third day, your constipation improves considerably. This is due to the dietary fibers present in apples. They facilitate bowel movements. On the seventh day, while brushing your teeth, you notice that your teeth are whiter and you no longer have bad breath. The malic acid present in apples can help eliminate plaque and stains from your teeth. On the seventh day, when weighing yourself in the morning, you notice that you lost a bit of weight. Indeed, the apple is a fruit with low caloric content. Additionally, it is more satiating and contains many vitamins. It stimulates metabolism. When your metabolism is faster and you consume less food, you lose weight more easily. On the 15th day, when looking at yourself in the mirror, the condition of your skin has significantly improved. You no longer see pimples or wrinkles. And your thesis improved because apples contain a lot of vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants. On the 20th day, your memory is getting better and better. Even things that happened a long time ago, you remember quickly. Thanks to regular consumption of apples, your acetylcholine level has increased, which improves your memory. On the 30th day, you look like a new man. You have a better appearance and more energy. This is because apples contain many essential nutrients and trace elements, allowing your body to renew itself. The cycle of your destiny is in full swing. Now grab pen and paper and write down this super potent apple juice for your body. Ingredients: 1 apple, 1 kala leaf, and a glass of coconut water. And how to prepare: put all the ingredients in the blender and blend well. If you want, you can replace the coconut water with regular water. Drink without straining and enjoy the benefits of this natural treasure. This juice, in addition to all the benefits I told you about, also because of the kale, will detoxify your liver, cleanse your kidneys, improve digestion, strengthen immunity, prevent infections, control glucose, and increase physical fitness. So, did you know about these benefits of apples?